Before you switch mobile carriers, stop right here, because most people assume bigger names always mean better service. The surprising truth is that US Mobile and Visible serve very different needs, and choosing the wrong one can cost you time and money. US Mobile is a flexible MVNO that runs on Verizon's network. It lets you customize plans based on talk, text, and data usage. This makes it ideal for people who want control over exactly what they pay for. You won't believe what happens next when users realize they can build a plan for just $10 or scale it up as needed. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume unlimited data is always better. For light users, smaller custom plans save a lot of money. Visible, on the other hand, is an all-in-one unlimited plan on Verizon's network with taxes included in the price. It's simple, predictable, and easy to set up, making it perfect for those who want stress-free billing and unlimited data, talk, and text. The catch is that customization is limited, and hotspot speeds are capped at 5 Mbps. Coverage and performance are similar since both use Verizon, but customer support differs. US Mobile offers email and chat support with some wait times, while Visible relies mainly on app-based support. The surprising truth is that the best choice depends on your usage. If you want flexibility and potentially lower bills, US Mobile wins. If you want simplicity and unlimited everything, Visible is the better choice. If this comparison helped you make a smarter decision, subscribe for more honest mobile carrier insights.